What's going on, y'all? I'm finna show y'all how to make a Korean hot pot. This is a special request from one of my good friends. So I'm gonna start by just kind of showing y'all what you need in it. It's very simple, very easy. If you're into like seafood, Korean cuisine. So point down here, right here, we got green onion. We got Korean wasabi mushrooms, Korean radish. I got a mix here that is sesame seed oil, red pepper, and a little bit of beef seasoning. And then what I have here is what I use, which you'll see all these ingredients like at the end of what I do. We'll show you like the packets or whatever. But this right here is a seafood soup stock, which gives it a little bit of flavor. It's pretty cool. I have tilapia. That is sliced up, that we'll put at the very end. Cooks fast. And then mixed seafood. Very simple. So what this is a hot pot. So you can cook it on the stove, but I always do it the right way. You know what I'm saying? Which I use this. Don't mind my Villa wine. Shout out to some very good ass box wine. If you didn't know, what we do is we do like 10 cups of water. So do like 10 cups of water, man. This is my little shoe set from trying to put her on. You know what I'm saying?
What's up, y'all?
So you do 10 cups of water, then you let it get to a boil. Like I said, it's very easy. What I'm going to do is, once the water gets to a boil, I'm going to add my sesame seed oil and red pepper mix. And then I'll add about 5 minutes into it, then I'll add my Korean radish. And why you want to do this first is just because of the texture of it is kind of hard, so you want to let that get to almost like a crunchy sensation. So about, I don't know, about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes of boiling, and it kind of gets soft. Then everything else is going to go real fast. So give us a second, and then we'll come back to you when the water's boiling. Alright, so now we got our water boiling. What I forgot to tell y'all is, what I like this Kinkelman soy sauce, you know what I'm saying, because I'm black. Yes, it's a Korean dish, but you know, you gotta have them seasonings. So I put like, I don't know, 3 or 4 just teaspoons of it in there, just to you can kind of see this boiling. Now remember earlier I said that your sesame seed, well, the kind of paste that you make with your sesame seed oil and your grounded red pepper, you take that, just kind of put that in there. I mean, this is what I do, you know what I'm saying? I don't really advise you can't burn yourself. Just gonna switch that water on my rear plate. Make sure I get it all in there. For my bowl ready. Just kind of give it a little bit of a stir. Then, remember we want to do our radish first, but it's gonna take the longest to kind of get, you don't want it to be like super soft, but probably about 10-15 minutes, let it kind of boil. Really you can get it to whatever consistency that you like, you know, but I kind of like mine with a crunch and not real like mushy like. So we'll add these in there. Once again, give it a stir. We're gonna let that boil for about 10 minutes, and then we'll be back and we'll add the rest of it. Alright, so we let this boil for about, I don't know, 10-15 minutes, and you can kind of see that, shit, burnt the fuck out of me. You can kind of see that the radish is opaque. Remember I told y'all about that hot ass water. The radish is opaque, kind of clearish type deal. So then what I do next is I always add the seafood next and let that boil for another 10 minutes. So that it's not really mushy, but it's going to take the temperature down, so you want to make sure it gets back to boil. Alright, so then we put our seafood in there. We don't put our fish in there until the last part because it'll break up. So you only want it to like cook for like, you know, 5-10 minutes. And then it'll be ready to serve. So we're gonna let this boil for another 10-15 minutes and then we'll be back again. One thing I forgot to tell y'all that I do add though, and really pretty much everything is garlic. I forgot to tell y'all, you know, clove the garlic. Get that too. I know y'all know what that looks like, but you know, you just cut it up however you want to cut it. You get to dice them in half or slice them long, however you want to do it, whatever you prefer to do, it don't matter. But I did add garlic. So we let this seafood boil for about 10 minutes. I don't really like to overcook my seafood because I want it to be like mushy, you know, but if you prefer it or don't trust it or whatever, I mean, feel free to boil it longer. Since I did that and it's back to boiling hot, I'll go ahead and add my seasoning that I told you, my seafood stock. Put that in there. Give that a cool stir. We're close to serving, so go ahead and add your fish now.
Especially when you're scoffing around and screwing it. She had nothing to do with that. You got that? Nothing. You want to know what I'm saying? You know what? I think it's a pretty game now. Oh. Yeah, what do I got? What a surprise, dude. I got a couple white suits now. Let's get one thing really straight here.
And this tilapia, it cooks real fast, so as you can see, I just dropped that in there. So probably about another 2-3 minutes, and you're ready to go. Okay, now so now it's ready. Go ahead and add your fresh greens.
So I'm just supposed to ignore the
Mushrooms. You get close in so you can see it. Just kind of break out in there. As such. Watch it.
For you. When you get there, you cover up. I'm giving him the benefit of the doubt. You still think he didn't do it?
Let that come to a boil. It's ready to go, baby.